Hi everyone, my name's Angie. Welcome to my channel where I like to do all things homemaking. I hope you're having a great week so far. Today I will be trying 2 new recipes. One is for berry cobbler, the other one is for chicken tenders. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here. Let's go ahead and get started. First I will be preheating my oven to 375. Now I'm preparing my baking dish with some spray oil here. Now I am going to add 3 cups of berries to this baking dish. I am using raspberries and blueberries. You can use whatever berries you like. You want them to be thawed out enough to spread around the bottom. I'm just heating them up in the microwave to defrost them a bit. And then I'm gonna stick my butter in to soften it. Just make sure you don't melt the butter if you do that. So I'm gonna set those aside, and now I'm going to start my dry ingredients. I'm using erythritol. You can use whatever sweetener you like. And I'm going to run it through a sift to get the lumps out, and this is 1/4 cup. I will have the recipe in the description below. Now that the butter has softened, I'm gonna start creaming the butter and the sweetener together. And this was just 1 stick of butter. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs to this. And now I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm gonna add in 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Now I'm going to add in some almond flour. This is 1/2 cup that I'm running through the sifter. Now I'm gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Once that is mixed well, we're gonna start spooning it on top of our berries, and I like to do it in 3 rows of 2 scoops each. So a total of 6 scoops. And I like to sprinkle my cobbler with some cinnamon. You'll want to bake that for 30 to 40 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Now we are going to start our low-carb chicken tenders. I have the oven set at 400, and I'm using 1.5 cups of crushed pork rinds. In another bowl, you're going to want to add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, one-half teaspoon of garlic powder, one dash of cayenne pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, I'm gonna mix the egg mixture well till it's all combined. And now, just using some tongs, I'm going to coat my chicken well, and then I'm going to dip it into the crumbs and make sure that that's coated well. And then just lay it on a greased, foil-lined baking sheet. This recipe was really good. I've never tried chicken tenders with pork rinds before. I have done catfish this way, and that was really good also. I have a video of that if you want to check it out. So after 15 minutes, this is what they look like. And I'm just going to serve these with some seasoned broccoli and some marinara sauce. Well, that's it for today's recipes, friends. Thank you for being here, and I will be back soon with a decorating video. Bye!